Happy Monday, you guys. Hi, it's Mary. And you know, on Monday, we make stuff. So today, I want to show you guys how to make a wonderful, delicious, actually good for you candy. Infused or not, but I'm making infused today. And obviously, I'm having a camera issue, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so check this out. This is my I really like this candy. I just call it Canna coconut candy, okay? And what you got here is 6 tablespoons of melted, infused, solid coconut oil, okay? Now these candies they're not really shelf stable, but solid coconut oil will stay solid at room temp, so that's what you want, okay? So 6 tablespoons of infused solid coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of agave. You could use honey, it's a little sweeter. But this isn't about sweetness, this candy. It's just about goodness, okay? Whew, now this is where it gets really hard, you guys. Okay, the infused coconut oil and the agave are in here. Now we're adding half a cup of the best the best cocoa powder you can afford, okay? We're gonna put in 1.5 cups of unsweetened coconut because again, this isn't a really sweet thing. It's ostensibly kind of good for you. And then you're gonna add 1 cup of toasted chopped almonds. And just a side note, when you are cooking, you always wanna try and toast your nuts. I love to say that. But do toast your nuts because it makes them just more delicious. It gets those essential oils, to the surface so they taste better. Now all you're gonna do is mix this together till it's all homogeneous, okay? And then quick, you're going to get it into your adorable, teeny tiny little muffin gizmos, okay? So get it on in there, and what'll happen is that melted coconut oil, it's gonna firm up, and in about 20 minutes, you're gonna have some really good, delicious chocolate coconut candy. Now, if you use my 1-to-1 formulation when you're making your infused coconut oil, you're gonna get about 50 milligrams per tablespoon. This was 6 tablespoons, so this whole batch is gonna have about 300 delicious milligrams of active cannabinoids. And this is all you do, guys. Look how hard this is. 1 teaspoon or more in each little muffin cup. Hang on, I want you to be able to see this. Anyway, so just get that in there. It's a little messy, okay? But just get it in there, plop it in the fridge, and when it solidifies, when it's solid, you have really good candy. Make this. You'll love it. More soon. Bye, you guys. Mwah. Love you. Bye.